In this video, we are going to see how we can update the Microsoft Edge browser manually if it is not suggesting any kind of update. Here's what you can do. So first of all, just click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and click on Help and Feedback and click on About Microsoft Edge. Click on this and it is checking for the update, and hopefully it will offer you the update. But if it doesn't, what you need to do is just write apps and features in the start menu. Click on Installed Apps, and from here just search for Edge, right here, Edge. So basically we are in settings, right here, apps, go to apps, and in the installed apps we'll write here Edge. We click on these three dots, click on modify and click on yes. Although it shows the repair option, but when we click on this, you will see that it will download the fresh copy. That means it will install a fresh copy and also update the existing one. So this is the quickest way of manually updating Microsoft Edge to resolve all of its issues. After that, the browser will reload as the process is complete. So just wait for it to load. So now it has reloaded, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.